Hello! At Toddler and Earlier STEM, we looked at dissolving or melting sugar cubes. Okay, you put another one in?
This one needs colouring.
Alright. You colour that one in?
Please can you colour that one in?
Well done. And so now where are the sugar cubes? Have we any left? Or have they all dissolved or melted? Oh, look at that! They're still there! That's really interesting.
The food colouring has some kind of...
Yes! We tried it without any food colouring to see what would happen. Oh, that's coloured too.
Yes.
That's because the water in the glass is full of food colouring, purple food colouring, that's been transferred from the sugar cubes.
Now it's turned red.
It has. That's quite interesting, isn't it?
Let's mix into a colouring and then it might turn its colour.
It might. It might turn a different colour.
So you should water in.
Should we get some fresh water?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that then. We tried it with some clean water to see what would happen. It's green and purple and red.
I just need to put these in.
Okay. Should we put another one in? That's white.
So that
That one's white. See what happens.
purple.
Okay, that's an interesting colour, isn't it?
It's turned into black pepper in a minute.
Yes.
Squeeze it in.
Okay, now should we take it out and see what happens? Ha! Look at that.
It's not white anymore.
It's not. No. So what colour is that? It's a little cube of different colours, isn't it?
Let's spray it and it might turn white.
It might. Do you want to try?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, that's interesting. I would think that if it was in water for so long, it would dissolve in your hand, but it didn't, did it? You had to break it to see if it crumbled. Has it crumbled completely? Let's have a look. We found that it took a really long time for 4 sugar cubes to completely dissolve in water. Thank you for watching Toddler and Earlier STEM. Goodbye.